Hello, welcome to Nintendo Sense YouTube channel. We're here today with the JLab Go keyboard, multi-device wireless keyboard. You can connect up to 3 devices via Bluetooth and 1 device via USB. Pretty cool keyboard here by JLab. They just got into the market of offering new devices like this, and we're going to unbox it. This is not a review, just an unboxing. This product was not provided by JLabs. I paid for it myself. And it's actually pretty affordable on their website compared to other offerings by name brand competitors. I don't know the performance of it yet, because this is just an unboxing, but I hope you enjoy watching. And I hope you'll subscribe to Nintendo Sense YouTube channel for more content like this, and give us a like if you like this video. Alright, well here we go. There will be a link in the description down below to purchase this keyboard, and for a 20% off coupon on JLab's website. So yeah, make sure you check that out in the description. And ooh, that feels kind of nice. They make all their packaging recyclable. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Let's peel the little plastic cover piece off of there. So you've got a volume knob. Anybody that does media production knows if you're listening to things, you're trying to do stuff, you got to have your volume knob accessible. And there's shortcuts for Mac, Android, and Windows. So I can use this with my Nintendo Switch, my Chromebook, and my Windows computer. And if I ever do get a Mac for video editing, I could use it with that too. It's pretty slim on the back here, pretty lightweight compared to other ones I've used, and it's powered by 2 batteries, and it's got the USB thing hidden inside there. That can connect it to the Switch, and then I can use Bluetooth for Windows or Android or Chrome. And inside the box you have the instructions and a little battery pack, and the whole packaging is recyclable. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and maybe check out this keyboard when I do a review. If you want to buy the keyboard, there will be a link to Amazon and to JLab's website. If you click on the link to JLab's website, you'll get 20% off your first purchase there. Thanks for watching. I'm not sponsored by JLab. JLab did not send this to me for review. This is entirely my own opinion and product. And yeah, you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.